Hey, this is Adam Huxema from ProjectionHub. I'm going to show you in this video how to remove the ProjectionHub branding from our various financial projection templates. So oftentimes people ask after they have completed their projections and they want to send them off to an investor or lender, how do I remove the ProjectionHub branding? So let me show you how to do that. So the first thing, all of our templates have this instructions page. So what you'll want to do, you can just right click down here on the instructions tab and you can just delete this tab altogether. You probably just don't even need that. And then up above here, now if you click this, it's going to take you to, if you use the left click, it's going to take you to our projection support page to get help. So what you want to do is right click, you're going to right click, and then first you need to click remove link. And then you'll be able to right click again if you want, and you could just cut, that would work, or you could just right click and then hit the delete button on your keyboard. So you want to do that on, again, same thing here, remove link, and then we can hit delete, and just remove that. So that's the easy way to get rid of the ProjectionHub logo and branding on your ProjectionHub financial model. If you have any questions, reach out at support@projectionhub.com and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.